Start the recording. Okay, so the final thing, I just want someone to execute this program so that we all will be in the same shape. Okay. Okay, so we'll execute, we'll see. Hey, hi Rohit, you're there. Rohit, can you execute this program? Can you tell me what will happen when we execute this program? First, it creates a location.
A static pool will be created with the name of stat and non-stat class name.
Yes, correct. So first, one memory will be created. That memory name will be my class name with some hexadecimal number. Then, first memory which will be created into that memory will be the static pool.
Yeah.
So, what are the members will be loaded into that?
Static int I is equal to 100.
Yes, correct.
Then the main method. Main method.
Yeah. Then my main function. Apart from that, anything will be loaded?
No, that's it.
That's it. Then now first what will happen?
Then second memory will be created, main.
Yes, a local memory for the main will be created.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Then
Int k is equal to 300.
what will happen now?
Int k is equal to 300 will be loaded.
So what is that?
That's a local memory.
Local variable.
Local
It will be loaded into the main function.
Local.
Yes. Then
int j is equal to 200.
no. In
That's
main
it.
memory, only the local variable only will be loaded. So what is this variable?
That's a global variable.
Global? What type of variable?
Static global variable.
Yes, correct. This one?
Non-static.
Correct. Yes. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Rohit.
Yeah.
Hey, hi, Usha. Hey, hi, Usha, you there?
Yeah, hi, Madhu. Yeah.
Now, can you tell me what will happen next? System.println I.
Yeah, I will be the 100.
Yes, correct. So now, where the search will go, and then after that it gets me 100. So now, if you see the main function comes from the main. Correct. Main memory loads from the static pool. Okay, yeah. So now we are executing the main memory. So first one is int k equal to 300. So this creates a local variable. Then next, system.println I.
I. So I value is 100. 100 gonna be print.
No, but where the search will go, and then after that finally it reaches 100.
Oh, search directly goes to the static.
How?
Static.
How?
So because we address is to the I, right?
No.
The integer. Sorry.
Whenever I
yeah.
whenever
I static. Sorry.
No, simple thing. Whenever I'm not going to refer a variable without anything. Okay, I'm going to give a variable name. Means always the search will go to the local memory only.
Local memory, yes.
So
Exactly.
now do we have I variable here?
No.
If we don't have, then from where this main function came?
That,
From the static pool. Here it checks whether do we have I variable. Yes.
yes.
Then it prints 100. Directly search will not go to static pool.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll do one more thing. I'll write it here. So now next, static and non-stat of dot I. What is that? Stat non-stat is the class name. Now can you
Class
tell me what will happen? I'm
static
referring the
directly
variable.
static pool.
Yeah, I'm referring the variable with reference of a class name. That
Class
means
name.
what should happen?
Directly search goes to the static pool.
Correct.
And
Whenever
for
I
that,
refer with help of a class name, then only search will directly go to the static pool.
yeah,
Gets me 100. Yes.
done 100.
Then
So, as well as a K. So first it goes to the local memory.
yes.
It is in the 300.
Correct. Yes. Then
The static, non-static object. We are creating the object here.
yes. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Shan. Thank you. Um, hey, hi, Divya. Hey, hi, Divya. You there? Hi, Divya. Uh, Divya, can you tell me now when I create an object, what will happen?
The object will be created.
Yes, correct. An object will be created.
Yeah.
Yes. From where the object is created? From the main function.
Look,
Yes.
the main function.
Yes.
In
Now,
that object K,
so what will happen when we create an object here like this?
the object is created with the uh,
What are the
object J.
members will be loaded into the object?
Okay.
All the global members.
Global members. It's
Yes.
in J.
Yes. So in J equal to 200, correct? Okay. All the static and non-static members will be loaded.
In I is equals to 100.
So static members alone from where the informations will be taken.
Static information in the static pool. The
Correct.
static information is there.
Static members alone, it will take from the static pool, the current value will be taken.
Yeah, the current value.
Okay. Then main.
Main.
Yes. Then anything else will be loaded? That's it. Yes. Then now
It prints object J 200.
yes, go to obj. What is the J value?
It's 200.
200. Yes, correct. And then
And object I, it prints the current value 100.
yes, correct. Then obj, it prints the address. Address of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some changes here. So I will do one thing. Hey, thanks, Divya. So now I'm gonna do I is equal to 200. I'm gonna do some changes here. We'll see what will happen. 200 obj dot j is equal to 300. I'll just make it as 150. This also I can refer with obj.j or like that. So then now I'm going to print it. So obj dot I so obj dot j. Then after that I'm gonna do other thing. I'm going to sysO stat and non-stat dot I. Then sysO I. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to create another object. Stat non-stat obj1 equal to new stat non-stat. Then sysO obj1 dot I sysO obj1 dot j. Also, I'll print other things also. Okay, we'll see what is this output. All those things. OBJ will print some address over there, something hexadecimal number over there. OBJ X ABC like that, something address it will give. Then next OBJ dot I equal to 150. Okay, so now Divya, you came for the yesterday session, right? Can you
Yes,
tell?
yes.
Can you tell me now what will happen? OBJ dot I.
It reigns like 150
Uh,
in the other place of 100, which will affect the static pool too.
correct. OBJ dot I. So that will change to 150.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's wherever it's static pool, so wherever the int value I is there, it reflects everywhere.
Yes, superb. So static members alone, it will be like only one copy. Whenever there is a change happens, that change will apply everywhere. Yes, correct. Superb. Then
Object J is 300. It's only referred to the particular object.
correct. So obj dot j equal to 300. So goes to this obj
It's
300.
referred to the particular object. Yeah.
300. Yes. Then
System dot object dot I, it prints I value 150.
correct. I value is 150. Yes.
And again it static and non-static with reference of class I value is 150.
Correct. Goes to the static pool because I'm referring to that of a class name.
Class.
There also I value is 150. Correct. Yes. Next, I.
I value is 150.
How the search will go?
It searches in the object. Oh no. Yeah, it
Main.
searches in the main local
Like
memory.
yes.
Yeah, but it is not there, so it goes to the static pool. It's 150.
150. Yes, correct. Then
System object dot J.
correct. Then obj.j goes to the obj. What is the j value? 300.
300.
Superb. Yes. Good.
Then it again creates a new object 1.
Yes. A new object is created.
Name.
obj1. Yes. Now
It prints the I value.
no. First, what are the informations will be loaded?
Oh yeah, all the local memory from the main
No.
and static. Sorry,
Not
static and non-static.
local or global members will be loaded.
Yeah. Okay.
No, local members will be loaded into the object or global.
No, global members will be loaded.
Correct. So what are the global members?
It's static in I.
Yes, correct.
I value is current.
So static member information alone, it always takes from the static pool, takes the current value.
Current
The current value of I is what?
150.
150.
and j value will be 200.
Correct. Then my main function, then my j value, that is 200.
200.
J value always it will take the old value only.
Old value only.
Yes, correct. Then
it prints I value, it's 150.
obj1 dot I. So goes to the obj1. What is I value?
150.
150. Yes. Then
it is static and non-static with reference of class.
yes.
Dot I, it goes to the class and prints 150.
Yes, correct. Then
it prints I value is 150.
Where the search will go?
It goes to local. Actually, it goes to local main.
Yes. Then
If it is not there, then it goes to static pool.
yes, correct. obj1 dot j.
J will be 200. It searches in the
200.
object itself.
Yes, super. So now I'll do one more thing. A good, Divya, awesome, super. Now I'm gonna do one more thing. obj1 dot j equal to 500. obj1 dot I is equal to 250. Okay. obj1 dot I is equal to 250. So now what will happen? I just need someone. Anyone like to give a try, guys? Anyone like to give a try?
We are reinitializing J with 500.
Super. A good to it. Tell me now. obj1 dot j equal to 500. So where it will be changed?
It will be changed in J.
Correct. J. In which place?
Yeah. Object.
Correct. There are two objects. In which object will be changed?
Object 1.
Correct. Goes to the obj1. Sorry, guys. My j value currently is 200. That will be changed to 500. Yes. Will there be a change in the obj also in the next object?
No.
Correct. Because non-static members will have multiple copies, so the change will apply only in that specific place alone. Yes. Then
I will be replaced with 250, reinitialized with 250.
So obj1 dot I. So goes to the obj1. What is the I value right now?
Right now it's 150, it will change to 250.
Correct. So that will be changed to 250. Then
it will be changed in static pool to 250.
super.
Declared.
Correct. Static members alone, whenever there is a change, that change will apply everywhere because it has only one memory alone. The change. Then anywhere else it will be changed.
Static. Your object.
Yes, the another object also, because static members change will apply everywhere.
Everywhere.
That's it. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Hey, good guys. Super. So, anyone has any questions so far? Anyone has any questions? This is about the static and non-static usage of an object, and then referring a local variable, referring a global static and non-static variable. That's it. Clear? Any questions from anyone? Cool. Okay, guys.
Hi, Murli.
Yeah. Yes, please.
This Guna, I didn't understand after like SIS is subject I and object J.
Which one, Guna?
Yeah, the from like you highlighted, right? From that step onwards, I didn't understand.
This one, right?
Yes.
Sure, sure, good. I will execute. So right now we are creating another object, that is obj1.
Okay.
So now when I'll do one thing. Okay, I'll tell you in case if you're getting confused, let me know. So I created a new object. Always when we create an object, what will happen? All the global members will be loaded. It might be static or non-static. Variable or a function will be loaded. So we have static member and the non-static member and then the main function. So static members alone, always it will take from the static pool, the current value it will be taken. So that's why the current value before it was 150. Okay, before this step, so current value of I is 150. So that's why we took static int I equal to 150 here. Okay, then after that my main function. Non-static members alone, it will take the old value, that is 200. In the object level, we have changed it to 300 before. But we will take actually what? Int j equal to 200, the old value only. That's what we have taken, int j equal to 200. Then I'm printing CISO obj1.i. So now when I print I, what is the I value? That will be 150. My I value will be what? 150 here. Then static and non-static I. So goes to the static pool. Refer to a class name, always goes to the static pool. What is the I value? That is 150 before. obj1.j. So here in the j level, what is the value? 200. Okay, right? 200 is printed. Then after that, I'm going to give sorry, so I is also there, right? So that also actually go to the main function whenever there is a variable we are declaring directly. If it is I is not there, go to the static pool. What is the I value? That is 150. That has been printed. Clear? You understood still now? Why 150 is printed everywhere? And are you clear now, Guna?
Yeah, after that it's clear.
So now, next, obj1.j equal to 500. So what is the j value? J is a non-static member, correct? So it goes to the j. Right now, what the value is 200. That will be replaced to 500. Okay, so 500 it will be changed. So non-static members alone, the change will apply only in the object level.
You can declare anywhere in that like I and j values in between.
It's actually what you can declare global members, always static and non-static members in the top level. Initialization you can do anywhere. These are all steps are initialization. Okay, right?
Okay.
Okay, this step is called as declaration. These steps are called as initialization, that is changing the value.
Okay.
Okay, so j value when we change, that change will apply only to that specific object alone, because non-static members actually what will have multiple copies. Every object level there will be one copy created. Okay, that's why the change is applied only in that specific place. Now obj1.i equal to 250. Now I is what? It's a static member. Static members will have only one copy, which will be there in the static pool. These are like a reflection of that. So what will happen? 150 will be changed to 250. Whenever there is a change in the static member, that change will apply everywhere. Understood, right?
Yeah.
That's why static member alone, whenever there is a change, the change applies everywhere. Clear for everyone, guys?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
You're clear, Guno?
Yeah, I'm clear now.
Good, good. Okay, guys. So we'll have a 5 minutes break, okay, till 7:40. Then after that, we will see about string concatenation, which is an important thing. Okay, we'll see about string concatenation, how string concatenation works. Okay, we'll have a break till 7:40, then we'll continue. Okay, thank you.
ఏమన్నా ఏమన్నా నిద్ర రావట్లేదా
Hello. Hey, hi guys. We'll continue the session. So we'll see about the string concatenation. So which is a little bit important topic. Okay. So yesterday I took a little bit basics of it. Today we'll just continue again. So now 100 plus 200 both are numbers. Okay. So when both numbers are being given to a plus operator, what will happen? That will be added. 100 plus 200 will give me 300. Same thing. Any information that gives under a double quote will be treated as a string. Even if it is a number we are given, that will be treated as a string if it is given under the what is it? Under double quotes. So hello plus world, that will give me hello world. Okay. Hello plus world will give me hello world. That is when a string is being given to an operator, that will be actually what concatenated. Okay, that will be concatenated. That's what will happen. Then hello plus 100. Hello is a string. 100 also is a number. Sorry, 100 is a number. So hello plus 100 will become as hello 100. That is a string, and then after that a string is being given. That will be concatenated. That is, it will join both the words. Same thing if it is given to a number, that also will be joined. Okay, so now 100 is a string, 200 is a number. So one is a string, one is a number. Now also what will happen? It will be joined and then both will be converted to a string. So 100, 200. 100 is a string and then 200. What will happen? 100, 200 both will be joined together and then be converted to a string. Now 200 is a number, 100 is a string. So now what will happen? 200, 100 both will be joined and then will be given as a string here. 100 plus 300. 100 plus 300 plus 500. Now what will happen? Actually, what? Always execution will be done from the left hand side to the right hand side. Always execution will be done from the left hand side to the right hand side. So 100 plus 300 will become as 400. Then plus 500, which is a string. Now what will happen? That will be 400, 500. That's the thing. Okay, see, 400, 500 will happen. Clear? Then after that, 100 plus 200. So execution will be done from the left hand side to right hand side, right? So 100 is a string plus 200 is a number. Then 100, 200 will be converted as a string plus 300 will become as 100, 200 and 300. Clear guys? So it's 100, 200 and 300 all will be converted to a string. That's the thing. Clear? Here two things you have to remember. A number to number always will be added, and number to a string, it can be left side or it can be right side, both will be concatenated, and always execution will be done from the left hand side to right hand side. So number plus number will be added, and then that number plus a string will be concatenated. That's it. Clear? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood this concept, so that we'll execute this program. Can I expect everyone to ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood it. Good. Thanks, guys. So now this program you guys are going to execute as usual. Good. Any volunteers? Anyone like to execute? Any volunteers, guys? Anyone like to execute? Okay, cool.
String X.
Hey, hi, Rohit. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what can you explain from the beginning, from the main function?
X is string is X is declared with hello.
Super.
Then string Y is declared with word.
Correct. So, what is this X and Y?
That's variable.
Yes, it's a string variable. Awesome. Super.
Yes. Then string z variable is declared with 100, value 100.
Correct.
Then integer a variable is declared with 100, it's not string.
Yes.
Then b is declared with 200.
Superb. There are totally 3 string variables and then 2 integer
Integer
variables. Yes, correct. Yes.
Then we are going to print value of x and y, which is int. So the output will be 300.
No,
No, x and y.
x
So
plus y.
the output will be hello world.
Superb. It will be hello world. Correct. Yes. Then
Then we are going to print value of a and b. That's 300. It's not string.
superb.
So it's 300.
100 plus 200. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just give like this. So hello plus world. So that will give me hello world. A plus b, that is
100 plus 200.
plus 200. That will give me 300. Awesome. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, Robin. Super. Good, man.
Yeah.
Now next, hey, hi, Google. You're there? Hey, hi, Anusha. Anusha, you're there?
Yes, Murli.
Hey, hi, Anusha. Now, can you tell me? Just again, give me a minute. Just a minute.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Hey, hi. Hey, sorry, Anusha. Yeah. Can you tell me?
X plus A, right? Hello plus 100.
Yes. So, x plus a. X is hello.
Hello.
And then plus
A is 100.
100. So that will give
Hello.
me
100.
hello, and that which will be turned as a string. Yes. Super. Next.
Hello plus world
Yes. Hello plus
plus world.
yes.
The, plus 300. Plus 100 plus 200.
100 plus 200. Yes. So now the
Hello
output will be
world 300.
hello world. I already told you the execution will be done from the left hand side to the right hand side.
Right. Yes. 100 plus 200 will be 300.
Okay. So hello world, and then it will be 100, then 200. Okay, right?
It won't add.
No, because from left hand side to right hand side only will execution will come. So hello plus world will become as hello world. Okay, so I'll do that.
Correct.
Then Then after that, plus 100 plus 200. Correct?
Okay.
So now what will happen? It will be changed as
Okay.
hello world
What?
100 string
Okay.
plus 200.
200. Okay.
Now again when you add it, what will happen? It will be 200. Okay. Understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, everyone understood this concept, right? This is where string concatenation will be there.
Now it will be 300.
Okay. Yes. Understood. Good. So now next we'll see. So, hey, thanks, Anisha. Thank you. So
Yeah.
now next. Guna, can you tell me now what will happen? Hey, hi Guna, you're there?
Yeah.
Now can you tell me what will happen now?
Yeah, in here 100 plus 200
It is
plus 100 plus
100 plus 200 plus hello plus world. Yes. Now what will happen?
300 hello.
300 hello world. Now can you tell me why actually now it has been added, this 100 plus 200?
So right, it's going to add.
Sorry, come again?
The execution will start from left to right.
Super. Yes, correct. That's why 100 plus 200, which is a number, that been turned to 300. 300 plus hello will become as 300 hello. 300 hello plus world will become as 300 hello world. Yeah. Next, Guna.
Hello.
Hello
Right.
plus 100 plus
Yeah.
world
Plus 200.
plus 200. Yes. That will be changed as
Hello. 100.
hello 100 world 200. That's it. Great. Very good.
Hello.
Yeah. It's hello
Plus 100.
plus 100.
Plus 200.
So plus 200 plus
Plus world.
world. Now what will be my output?
Hello. 100. 200. World.
Hello 100 200 world. Now why actually it has not been added as 300?
Yeah, execution will start from left to right because
Super, correct. Execution will start from left hand side to right hand side. That's why hello 100, then hello 100 200, then hello 100 200 world. Super. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, hi, Sagar. You there?
Yeah, hi.
Hey, hi, Sagar. Now, can you tell me what will happen now here?
Here it's 100
Yes, correct. So first it's 100.
and hello
Hello.
world
Yes. Plus
200
world plus
plus
200.
200. Yes. So it will be 100 hello world 200.
Correct. 100. Hello.
Hello
World
world 200.
200. Yes, correct. Next.
Same 100
100
hello
plus hello
plus 200
plus 200
plus
plus
world.
world. Yes, the output will be
100 hello 200 world
hello 200
world.
world. Yeah. Next, Sagar.
Next will be 100.
Yeah. So that will be 100.
Sorry, yeah.
No, X, right? X is
X, sorry, hello.
hello.
Plus A plus B will be like 300.
100 plus
100 plus 200
200
plus world.
world. So now the output will be like
Hello 300 world.
correct. So it will be hello. So it actually it's there inside the parenthesis. So first actually what the execution of these two things will be happen. Then only that output will be given to this. So that will be hello
Yeah.
300
world.
plus world. So that will be given as finally hello 300
Hello 300 world.
world. Good. Very good. Thank you. Understood, guys? Everyone clear? Anyone has any questions on this? Can everyone ping me in the chat window is yes, if everyone has understood this concept. It's a simple concept, but actually what is very important when we go for Selenium in the framework level, because we read the information from the XGBoost application and finally we do some actions and then finally we get the output. So that time concatenation plays a big role. It might be looking like a small topic, but an important topic in Selenium level. Okay, good. Great, guys. So with this, I'll stop it for today. So tomorrow we are going to start with actually what? Functions or methods. Okay, functions are also called as methods. Okay, how to use functions is what we are going to see tomorrow. Okay, so today, yes, anyone has any questions? Today I'm going to give some assignments for you guys. So for past 2 days, purposely I have not given any assignment. Okay, so today you have learned things of both. Okay, so you are going to actually what print informations of actually what the global and local variable as like I have done. Okay, so I'll be forwarding that one, how to create two non-static variables, static variables, all those things. And then one more thing, I will send you this program, so which I have executed yesterday. So this program, okay, I want every one of you to open a take a actually what a paper and pen, okay, and then draw the memory location like this, and then after that I want you to draw the static pool, main memory, objects, all those things, and then execute one by one. Okay, so this program I want everyone to execute and finally verify whether your output is correct. Okay, and finally verify whether your output is correct here. Okay, execute and then check whether your output is matching with the your executed output. Okay, then only you will be sure. If it is wrong, again do it from the beginning. Don't check it in the middle. Again do it from the beginning, because I want you to do 2 to 3 times over there the same thing, how memory allocations have been done. Okay, this is very important, guys. That's why I'm actually executing with help of memory allocation concept, because memory allocation concept only you will understand actually what why here the 250 has been changed everywhere, why the 500 has been changed only in these places. So all these things you will understand by this simple memory allocation concept only. That's why I'm helping you to execute like this. Okay, okay, guys. Thank you. So we'll again meet tomorrow same time. Thank you. Bye, guys.